Hello, everyone. Good evening. Namaste. Sat Shri Akal. I am Maninderjeet, an educationist and a very, very enthusiastic parenting coach. Now, if I say today, what is the motive behind coming live, is a very special motive. This motive revolves around my life. Why? Because I am a mother of a teenager girl. And when I say I have been an educationist from the past 15 years, so I'm feeling proud that I have been associated with this age group, which is called as tagged as teenagers. I've been with them from the past 15 years. So I know them very closely, what they go through, why they go through, how do they tackle these problems, and what as parents we don't understand, sometimes misunderstand, sometimes we never ever try to understand. So, in collaboration with Deep Parenting, I have been provided this platform to share my experiences, my study, and my lots of things which I have done, learn in the school. As a mother, when I say about teenager, so I can understand for parents, for teachers, for everybody in the community, leaving the teenagers, it's a roller coaster ride. We all will agree that we all are there in this roller coaster ride all together. If you have teenage child or teenagers in your house, then I can understand, I can pity also how difficult it is. We all have to strike balance between so many things, not only the physical energy that they are having, we have to strike a balance with our emotional levels also. Sometimes we really feel like giving them a punch on their nose or locking them in the room, or sometimes we feel like not feeding them with the food so that they feel hungry and little bit of their energy level goes down. But parents are parents after all. We all have to give away in front of them, we have to bow down in front of them. So we have to be calm, we have to be composed, we have to control our temper, our emotions, because my dear friends, we all must pity them. It's not under their control. It's not under their control. If you say hormones to be blamed, yes, it can be. But tell me one thing. Aren't we all gone through such phase? I was a teenager. And if somebody tells me that you have an energy like a teenager, I still feel good. I think it is okay with everybody else also. We all feel good when we termed as teenager, but teenagers, they come with a lots and lots of prefix and suffixes. So today I'll be taking less time of yours and telling you some things that we can do to deal with this situation. See, with this fast changing world around us and this change in the technology, we understand that it is very, very difficult for all of us to be a teenager, to be a parent of a teenager. And we keep trying to find, we keep trying finding out solutions to how to control their emotions, how to control their tantrums, how to strike a balance between them and us. So, see, one thing we need to understand, that kids who are no more kids, I'm talking about teenagers here, they are in the stage of exploration. We as parents needs to understand this is going to be a complete transformation from a dependent phase to an independent phase. An independent phase means we have to let them go, we have to let them be, but slowly and smartly, not with anger, not with frustration, not with anything else which is going to have a negative impact on them. This time, this I, this me concept is developing in them. And we should all need to support that I. We should give the food to that I. After all, a person is an individual person, no? Me is important milestone. We must take care of this thing, that me, the concept of me, I, myself is a very important concept. It's a very important milestone. if they know that you are there with them and you are there to understand them, they will land up as a better and successful individuals. Appreciate them. A child, no more a child. Now again, I'll reframe my sentence. A teenager, from the very beginning, they are being brought up with lots and lots of appreciation. They'll eat something you appreciate, they do something, they learn something, they wear their clothes, they tie their buttons, they lace, they tie up their shoelaces. You appreciate for every single step. But as they grow up, we take away this privilege of appreciation. We do not appreciate, rather we stop them from doing certain things which are not good. So the child feels that probably I am not worthy enough. So as parent, it becomes very, very important for all of us to let this phase just go. See, you were a parent, you were a teenager, I was a teenager, mom, dad, my mom, dad, your mom, dad, everybody was a teenager once upon a time. And ask yourself a question, aren't we led up as good individuals? क्या आपने अपने बचपन में टीनेजर के टाइम पे शरारतें नहीं की थी? क्या आप अपने बच्चों जैसे बिल्कुल नहीं थे? आई एम श्योर आप सबके दिमाग में आंसर आ रहा होगा, हमने भी शरारतें की थी. We were also like this. So they are the tiny version of you only, isn't it? So my dear parents, my dear colleagues, my dear teachers, there is nothing to worry about. Yes, teenagers are going to be different. They are going to have tantrums, mood swings, everything. I agree. But the only solution to go from this phase and land up as good parents is only patience and love. Patience and love. So accept this phase कि ये तो ऐसा ही रहना है. अब सवाल ये आता है कि ये ऐसे होते क्यों हैं? Why the teenagers are like this? Why they are the way they are? So इसका आंसर मैं आपको आज नहीं बताऊंगी. इसको अगर आप जान जाएंगे कि why they are the way they are, probably जब हमें रीजन पता होता है ना किसी चीज का कि ऐसा कोई किसी कंडीशन में क्यों कर रहा है, तो हमारा रिएक्शन टाइम इंक्रीज कर जाता है. We become, rather than being reactive, we become proactive. So ये reactive से proactive के फेज में लाने के लिए मैं आपसे कल दोबारा मिलूंगी 6 बजे शाम को, 6 o'clock tomorrow. I'm going to be live on Facebook and from the page of Deep. And I request everybody whosoever is watching me right now to be a part of this and be a part of this interesting journey where I am going to unfold many, many, many things to tell you why the teenagers are the way they are. So, not taking much of your time, now I take a bye from you. Have a good day and keep yourself free tomorrow. We're going to meet once again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.